Did you know that ignoring hearing tests can lead to serious consequences? Many assume their hearing is fine, but undetected loss can cause cognitive decline and social isolation. Regular tests are crucial for early detection and prevention. Hearing tests are simple and non-invasive, yet they reveal so much. They detect subtle changes in your hearing ability, helping you understand your unique hearing profile. This knowledge allows for tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Regular hearing checkups lead to better management of your hearing health. Early detection improves quality of life and communication. By taking action now, you can prevent future complications. Schedule your hearing test today and safeguard your future.